Did you know that you can use the same keyboard shortcuts for VS Code and Visual Studio? You don't need to remember two different keyboard shortcuts. But Visual Studio should have that capability. Before we jump into that capability, let me show you. So if you say Control P in the VS Code, you will see it give us option to find the files. But if same thing you try with Visual Studio, you will see this option after Control P. So now what all you have to do to sync between these two editors, go to Tools, then Options, and under here Environment you will see Keyboard. From this drop down, select Visual Studio Code and say OK. Now these two should be in the sync. What all I have to do now, let's say Control P, and you see the same option to find the file you can see in the Visual Studio as well. So now VS Code and Visual Studios are in sync.